So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see some string methods. In previous video we have also seen some other types of string methods. If you want to watch that video, you can check the link in the description. Now we will see some more string methods. Okay, so let's start. So first method is toUpperCase. So in this, it converts all the characters in the string to uppercase. That means in capital letters. So if the string is in lowercase or in small letters, so it converts that letter into capital letters. So I have taken one example here. The string is basically hello and all the letters in the string is in lowercase. After applying this method, all the letters in the string will be in capital letters. So let's see one example. So here I have created a class called demo1 and in this we have created a main function here. Now in this we will create a string str is equal to hello. So now print str dot toUpperCase. Now let's run the code and see the output. So as you can see, all the letters in the hello are in capital. So the next method of the string is toLowerCase. So basically it is an opposite of the toUpperCase. So it converts all the letters or the characters in the string to lowercase. That means in smaller letters. So I've taken one example also here. So string is hello and all the letters in hello are in capital letters. And after applying this method, you can see here all the letters are in small letters. So let's see one example. So I will create a string here. Now we will print str dot toLowerCase. Now let's run the code. So as you can see, all the letters in the hello word is in small letter. So next method of the string is SubString method. SubString methods extracts a portion of a string based on the start and end index that you provide. So basically you have to give two index, first starting index and ending index, and based on the index that you will provide, it will extract a portion of a string. You specify where to start and optionally where to end. You have to specify from where you have to start extracting the string or where you have to end extraction of that string. The character at the end index is not being included. If you give the index, let's suppose 4, and it will extract the string up till 3 only. Last 4th index will not be included. Now let's see one example here. So this is the string hello world and For example, suppose we have given the substring, and here we have to give the starting index, and here we have to give the ending index. So if we give the starting index as 0 and ending index as 5, so it will return hello. The index of hello is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so it will extract this portion of a string until index 4 only. Fifth index not be included. First I have to create a string here. Now let's print str dot substring, and here we have to give the starting index. So let's say starting index is 0 and ending index is 5. So let's run the code. So as you can see, the output that we have get is hello only. So if we manipulate the starting index and ending index, so if we give the starting index as 6, ending index as 11, so as you can see, the output that we have get is world only. So the next method is indexOf method. So basically it used to find the first occurrence of a specific characters or substring in the string and returns its index, basically position. Returns the word's first index only. So let's see one example here. So the string is hello world, given is index of world. So as you can see, it returns 6. Okay, because the world starts at index 6. So as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. W starts from index 6. So that's why it returns 6. So I have created a string here. Now let's print str dot index of so I've given the string as world. Now it will return 6. The W letter starts from 6 index. So let's give the another string. Suppose I have given the string as this. So now let's see what will be returns. So as you can see, it returns 7 because the letters O's index is 7. So that's why it returned the index as 7. Thank you for watching this video.